versus equation. What is equation? 2x plus 1 equals to 5. This is an equation. Why? Because you have an equal sign. So what is an inequality? So it's 2x plus 1 are probably bigger or equal to 5. Okay? How do you know it's an inequality? 大号，对吗？或者小号。Okay? So it can be like this. Okay? So these two are inequality. Because you see a bigger, you can see a smaller sign. Over here, equal sign, so equation. How do you solve equation? I think it's pretty easy. Move the plus 1 over. Divide by 2 on both sides. You will get x equal to 2. No problem with this. But for inequality, let's do the first one first. So the first one, you do the same thing. Move the plus 1 over. Minus 1. So 2x is 4. So divide by 2. You get x, right? You divide by 2. You get 2, right? Then over here is bigger equal. So, okay. Now, let's do 2. So actually 2 is the more interesting one. Okay. So for 2, right, is minus 2x plus 1 smaller equal to 5. So same thing, move the plus 1 over. So it's minus 2x. It's 4, right? Now, in this case, how do you get x? You need to divide by minus 2, right? Then you need to divide by minus 2, right? Okay, good. So when you divide by minus 2, you get minus 2 on the right hand side. You can actually use your calculator. Now, when it comes to inequality, if you divide or times a negative number, your this need to switch. 本来是小的，变成大。If you divide or times a negative number. Okay? So for this one, did you divide by a negative number?
那如果是加呢？
加？这里怎么可能是加呢？
没事没事。
Okay? So therefore the main difference, okay, 就是那个最主要的区别就是 for inequality when times or divide by negative number, okay, you switch the inequality sign. 大的变小，大的变小，小的变大。OK， 就是这样的。等一下，我叫他们先走开先。